10 meow-blowing facts about Japan that will leave you stunned. Japan has the highest number of vending machines per capita in the world. The world's oldest company, Nishiyama Onsen Keiyunkan, has been operating in Japan since 705 AD. The Japanese word karaoke means empty orchestra in English. The bullet train, known as Shinkansen, can reach speeds of up to 320 kilometers per h, 200 miles per hour. The Japanese concept of ikigai means finding purpose and fulfillment in life. Japan has 21 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, including temples, shrines, and castles. Sumo wrestling is considered the national sport of Japan. The Japanese love their game shows, featuring bizarre and entertaining challenges. Tokyo Disneyland has a partner theme park called Tokyo Disney Sea, known for its unique attractions. Subscribe to Hunter the Fact Cat for more facts. See ya!